Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sola Mathew and I empower youths with the digital skills that they need to pursue their dreams and live a life of freedom. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to build a website with Divi. In this tutorial, we're going to build a website for Tobi Amusan. Tobi Amusan is someone I really respect and one of the word breakers coming from Nigeria. So join me and let's build this website. Okay, to build a website, what you need to do first is to create a page, because website is a series of pages. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to create a page. So you come to page and then you come to add new. Right, so we want to create the home page for Tobi Amusan website. So here is where you put the name of the page. So here we just name the page home. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to click on publish. So now that the page is published, we view the page in another tab. So this is the page right now and it's not looking any good. Now this is where the power of Divi comes to play. With just one click, we are going to transform the whole of this page into a very powerful website. So follow me. Let's go back to the back end of the website and then we click on use the Divi builder. So now the Divi builder has finished loading. There are three ways by which you can start building your website. You can build from scratch, you can choose a pre-made layout, and you can clone an existing page. That is if you have created a page before and you want to duplicate or clone that particular page. Now, if you don't have Divi builder, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can get the Divi builder. So we want to build this website using a pre-made layout. So just going to click on choose a pre-made layout. Now, the one I want to use, there are lots of pre-made layouts that you can use here for pork restaurant, private investigator, and so on and so forth. There are a lot, right? But the one I want to use is the personal trainer. So I call it the personal trainer, or you can just go to the categories here. So I'm just going to click on health and fitness. So this is the personal trainer. So I'm just going to click on the personal trainer. So here under the personal trainer, we have different layout packs that different layouts that you can use actually. So you can see we have the blog session. This is the way the blog session is going to look like. We have the service. This is the way it's going to look like, and then we have the about session. This is the way it's going to look like. So all you need to do is to choose these pages whenever you want to create any of those pages, right? So for example, now we have contact me, right? So the one I'm going to use is this home. So I can click here and actually view it. So I click and then it will open in another tab, and then I can see the way it looks like. So this is the way the website is going to look like by the time we finish creating our own website. So it's loading. All right, so it has finished loading. So you just can scroll up and see the way the website looks. One-on-one training, right? And then you go down. Then we have video here. I think you can choose the different videos, right? And then you have other things that are there. So I think this is actually a cool, simple landing page or home page that we can use for Tobi Amusan. So I'm just gonna go back to the where we are editing the website. This is the front end. This is where whatever changes we make, it's going to appear here, but this is where we can make all of the changes. So we're just going to click on use this layout. So it will load the layout, and then we'll now edit it to suit what we want. So now the Divi theme has finished loading. That is the particular layout that we want to use as finished loading, and you can see this is the way everything is being laid out on the website. But we can actually, this is really like in the form of layout, right? But if you want to see what you are editing, you can as well come here and click on this desktop icon. For example, click on it, and then it's going to transform and show you what exactly you are working on. So from here you can come over and edit any of these things that are here, any of this element. You can come down here and edit it, but I usually love to edit my own on the front end, that is from here, right, by clicking on this enable visual builder. So I'm just going to save this one first. So after saving it, then I will come to the front page and then edit it. So I'm just going to click on save. Alright, so you can see that it's already saved. It said page updated, and then it's telling us to view the page. So this is actually the page, the same page that we just saved. So I'm just gonna close this right now and then come here to this particular page and refresh it so that it will show us the update of what we just did. Fantastic. So all we need to do is to click on this enable visual builder, and then we can edit the website. So this is the way the website is going to look like. If you don't want to change any of those colors, it's fine. What you need to do though is to just change the pictures, you know, to reflect that of Tobi Amusan. So I'm just going to do a few changes here, and then I will stop this video. All right, so let's go and click on enable visual builder. Right, so what you want to do next is to edit all of this, so you can you know, edit it. Right, so I'm just going to come here, for instance, where it says invest in your health. I'm just going to click on it and then click on this particular button. This is actually for the whole of the session. Why this particular one, this dark color, is, you know, this is where we have the module settings, right? So you click on the module setting and then invest in your health. I'm just gonna put something like I am more, right? So I am more, right? So after you're done with that, just click on this check mark. So first, that is I am more, right? So you can decide to edit this. Instead of saying personal trainer, for example, I could say Tobi Amusan. So just come here, I type Amusan. All right, you see how simple this is. So anyway, I'm just using this for for training guide, right? But later on, I'm going to sit down and work on it in a better way. All right, so I just finished working on the Tobi Amusan website, and you can see I make sure that this actually is aligned to the left hand side of the website, and this is at the center of the website. And this button is now learn more, and you know, here are some content that I've added. So I'm going to show this to her and to see if she approves it, and then we can go on with the final designs, and you can see core values and so on and so forth, right? So these are some of the things that the media said about her, and here is where she can be contacted. So if I scroll back up to this website, if I click on about me, this is just a one-page website, right? So if I click on about me, it's going to scroll down to where they will learn about her. This is a favorite. I mean, this was a quote that she quoted some years back, and it's more like the most popular quote by Tobi Amusan. It says, unknown now, but soon I will be unforgettable. I will persist until I succeed. You see, so that is powerful. So these are some of the things about her. And so these are some videos of her. If you click on this one, it will change here, and then you can watch it if you like. This is also a video, but the thumbnail is not our own thumbnail, right? So if you click on contact me, it's going to lead down to the contact me page. So this is a simple, beautiful website that is made possible with Divi. If you want to know how to build website with Divi, then subscribe to this channel so that whenever I create videos like this, you will get to know about it. And I've dropped the link for you to get Divi in the description below. So go to the description, click on get Divi, and then you'll be able to get Divi. If you have any question whatsoever, please drop it in the chat and I'll be so happy to answer you. See you next time.